Hello guys, welcome to Salt City Euros. Today is a very special day because we get to introduce to you our first project car.
Nico was in charge of getting this project car and I haven't seen it yet, but I have high hopes because he says it's rare and it's a BMW.
That's right, very rare indeed. Well, let me rephrase that. It's not necessarily rare, it's rare in this part of the world, specifically in the United States.
Can I see it, please?
Yes, you want to get it?
Yeah, I'd like to see it.
That's really all there is left to do. So
cool.
Let me go get the car. Dude, check it out. Look at this thing. What do you think? It's
pretty
awesome.
cool.
It's awesome.
Pretty cool.
Exactly what I told you it is. It's rare. It's red, which is not that great, but it's a touring. This is like the hot thing in the United States right now. Like everybody wants a touring, and it's really just about this back section. Everybody goes crazy over it, you know? Dude, 89 touring. Don't mind the shaking. The shaking is stock. You asked for a cool project, here's a cool project. I mean,
Yeah, when you said a cool project, I was hoping maybe like 850, you know, V12, maybe. Whoa.
Oh, it doesn't have power steering.
Oh, I see that now.
Yeah, it actually essentially doesn't have anything. There it is, our 1989 BMW 318i, also known as an E30 Touring. It came to us directly from the motherland, and it is about as basic as it gets. Without ABS, AC, power steering, nor any type of onboard computers, it possesses no modern day luxuries, and that's exactly how we wanted it. Our goal was to find a pure driver's car, which we could turn into a dedicated classic canyon cruiser with daily drivability at its core. Thanks to its relatively lightweight, front engine and rear-wheel drive configuration, along with a 5-speed manual gearbox, this touring is fun to drive, even in stock form. It's good though, it's fine, you know, it's a race car, obviously, and this has been bred from the factory to be a race car.
Don't have to do an AC delete.
That's right.
We don't have to drop any weight. It's already been dropped.
What all the cool kids do is, you know, AC delete, power steering delete, ABS. By the way, it doesn't have ABS either.
Oh, nice.
So just be careful.
Let's go find some snow.
Yeah, just be careful when you hit the brakes hard because we might slide into something. So feel that power, dude. Oh yes. M40.
It's like cranking out what, like 70 horsepower?
Yeah, I think after 25 years, that's about what that little engine is capable of producing. So.
Oh, I'm beating that Firebird.
Yep. Yeah, it looks like we have tons of keys here. We got loads of keys. We got loads of weird
Dude,
things. I
like this. I like it a lot.
don't know what this is, but it's pure. You're pretty much as close to the, you know, real driving feel as you're gonna get.
Can I be honest though? I wish it was an automatic. I think that would have been better.
Really well set up for to be a fun canyon cruiser.
Mm-hmm.
So
I mean, this would be sick with you know, better suspension, better wheels and tires. So it wouldn't be bad.
Yeah. I mean, that obviously is going to be the number one thing to make it roll less, because right now it's just awful. It has so much body roll, and the shocks are shot. You can tell whenever we hit bumps. There's actually a weird noise that I noticed from the back. We're gonna have to kind of look into that and see what's going on there. But yeah, really just depends, man. Like, what about a super Euro spec tool and tire hauler to go to track days?
Shoot, if we did an engine swap, you could just throw all your wheels in the back, wheels and tires, tools. You could probably fit a jack back there.
Yeah.
And then just drive this out to Miller.
Yeah.
Track it.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely incredibly underpowered. So, as much as I didn't want to, I think we're gonna have to look into an engine swap. But
I can tell this would be super fun with a new motor in it.
Yeah.
What would you put in? M50?
I think honestly, for the purpose of the build, an M50 is going to be the most reasonable motor. Because like I said, I think this motor at this point barely scrapes the 100 horsepower mark. I mean, we're lucky if it makes 100 horsepower. So with an M50, it would actually be worth doing the M50 because we would gain almost 70 horsepower.
That would be huge in a car like this.
So, I mean, granted, we're not doubling the power, but rides like crap.
Think our wheels are going to fall off?
I don't think so, but
Tighten the lug nuts.
what are you thinking in terms of budget? What should our goal be?
You know, I think we could set this up perfectly for just what, $2,000 to $3,000, and I think we'd be done.
Yeah, and when you're saying set it up perfectly, I'm thinking we got to do suspension, sway bars, control arms, bushings, potentially look into a better motor. Because I mean, $3,000, that's pretty generous for this type of a car. So that'll be the challenge. Doesn't have VTEC, unfortunately, so that's definitely something that we're lacking here.
I passed that minivan thing, crossover.
Right. Yeah, it's got nothing of that M40 power. Dude, I am so excited. I think this is going to be a great project.
Yeah, no, I love this car, man. It's so fun to drive.
One of the things that we noticed right off the bat is that we have a fender, and that is going to be perfect because we have a lot of rust in the front, so it's kind of nice that the previous owner threw in a free fender. We got some awful floor mats.
Those are nice.
It's not OEM, and the carpet in the front is, I mean, it's pretty good. So I knew when I picked up the car from the shipping company, I noticed that the interior was really clean overall. So I mean, carpet's awesome, dash is awesome.
Oh, we got some Synth-X SAE motor null. That's how you pronounce that?
Absolutely not. Got German papers. So we got loads of service manual. No Kame. I don't know what. We've got a comic book. So a German comic book from Disney. The shipping company papers. We got a.
What is that?
From what I remember, this is what you put up on the windshield when you park the car. You kind of set that on the dash to let people know what time you arrived.
Yep, it's pretty cool. We got an analog clock, huh? I like that. Let's see if we got anything good. Oh, here's a.
What is that, a cup?
Zamflage Kugamami. What's that?
I don't know, but I like your pronunciation of it. That was awesome.
Is this a key? No way.
Just another key. So we already have like 6 keys. We got something here in. What is that? Oh, it's a. Look at that. It's a Stein. It's a small Stein.
No way.
That is awesome. So we did find something authentically German after all. So we can drink our, victory beers in that later on. Check this out. Got some bad rust over here. That is, I don't think that's,
oh, yuck.
That definitely looks, ooh, that is like all the way through.
There's a hole in the hatch.
Oh man, yeah, that's pretty bad.
Don't do that to our car, man.
Oh, it goes all the way, no! We have a rusted hatch, but from my understanding, that is super common on these cars anyways. Okay.
Where's the hood release at?
It's to the left, where all the hood releases. Come on, Max!
Yeah, okay.
It's only an automotive show, you can't be looking for hood releases.
I found it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, well sometimes they're on the ground, man. You know what I mean?
Favorite part about old cars? The hood goes forward.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Well, the thing right off the bat that concerns me is that we clearly have a NOS fill station. So, somebody's been boosting this thing with NOS, but actually I have no idea what that is. What is that? It leads to the intake. Cool. The other line leads to the fuel return line, it looks like. I bet we sound pretty ignorant to any potential German viewers. They're gonna be like, yeah, I know exactly what that is. But
you're an idiot.
You're ignorant. But anyways, Max, so we have a pretty weak motor right here. Timing belt, unknown. This is completely washed off, so we're basically driving a ticking time bomb. I gotta say, Max, we got a pretty good deal on this car, even though we had to import it, because when you think about the cars in the US and what shape they're in, this is not bad. I think this is gonna be a really good, fun project. Oh, check that out. So that's actually the first thing I saw that really concerned me. We got a major hole right there. It looks like it's the fender primarily.
We got a new fender, so.
Yeah,
we got some more rust right here. Did you see this?
Oh no. Well,
that's not cool.
Looks like we're gonna have to do some welding. So this might become more involved of a project than we hoped for, but I guess that's what you get when you don't see a car before you buy it and import it. This is actually what's neat about this car. It's already Euro. We don't even have to make it Euro.
It's true.
You know? It's got the Euro grills. It's got the Euro headlights with the Euro city lights.
We got a lack of side marker.
That is phenomenal. We got a broken trim piece, but we got no side markers, so that's all people care about. And we are dripping some oil, it looks like.
Such a small, light wheel. I'm used to truck wheels that weigh like 80 pounds.
Got a rusty caliper. Holy crap.
Shoot, it's just flaking off.
Springs are going to be coming out. The thing I'm starting to be a little bit concerned about is the shape of this sway bar. We need end links. We need, yeah, we might as well just refresh that whole part of the suspension. So along with the cup kit, we're going to order sway bars, which, you know, bigger sway bars are better anyways. All right guys, so there you have it. That's our project car. We've talked your ears off about how awesome we think it is, but we have this huge bucket list of things we want to do to it and turn it into something even more awesome. So there's really only one thing left to do, and that's to dig right into it.
Yeah, and so if you guys are interested in following along and you want some updates, you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Salt City Euros, and of course right here on YouTube.
That's right. See you guys.
Thanks for watching.